file along with other states.
Yes. Here we have filed the application for clarity.
Only that last sentence.
Last sentence, not
Only that last sentence.
Last,
Because they say that they don't need to postpone the exam.
Yeah.
Lordships,
Yes.
Therefore, we are not going to extend the date.
Lordship, there's one issue. We also have filed an application. Now, what they've done is that we have documents to show that the tainted people have been given
95.
admission cards. And
Yesterday, we
two,
passed an order in another matter.
very well, my lords.
Directing
I was
that
informed
the
about
list of tainted candidates will be put in the public domain within 7 days.
One other issue, my
So
lord.
once you have that,
Very well.
and we are keeping these matters pending, we are not disclosing.
Very well.
them.
Another issue, my
So
lord.
in the event you are able to demonstrate that any tainted candidate was
We will do that.
allowed to appear in the examination, but we will hold them.
I can demonstrate just now.
Madam, can I just?
I can
One
demonstrate
other issue, my lord, before the state response. The other issue is in 2016, we were all eligible to appear for the exams for 9th, 10th and 11th, 12th cumulatively. Now the benefit of lordship judgment is being restricted. Either you choose this where you are continuing and you're not eligible to appear for the other exam with the benefit of exemption of age, etc. Now that I think is
But they have
again a
all
condition.
made applications and they have got, or everyone has got the
Allowing them to appear for both though.
Yes.
both.
With the same exemption.
9 and 9, 10 and 11, 12, wherever they will apply, Lord, if they apply for both the
Exams also,
yes.
you're allowing.
With the exemption, ma'am.
and
With the
With age exemption.
Yes, that is what.
7th,
With age exemption. Age exemption flows from the concluding paragraphs of our judgment.
And then one last,
rules itself.
Allow them exemption for both exams, not
Yes,
for
yes.
one.
Here, lordships.
The selected appointed candidates will get age exemption to sit for one or both exams. if
Both,
they so choose.
both.
lordships.
And Lord, they have
Benefit.
that is what. Admit cards have been issued for both 9 and 10 and 11 and 12. They have not said anywhere they have received the admit cards. Well, all are coming from the bar. These allegations are neither in the petition nowhere it has been stated.
They are just recording what you have said.
And just excuse me, Lord, I have Lord, on 25th August 25th August, Lord, we have issued a notice that it is notified for all concerned that while candidates have been issued provisional admit cards without stringent online verification of their eligibility, but provisional. It does not indicate that their candidature have been finally accepted by the commission. Candidates if
You
rendered
will not stop them from writing the exam.
But
You will not stop them from writing the exam. You said post-examination
Yes.
stage,
yes,
that is fair enough.
yes.
But you will allow all of them to write the exam.
No,
Tainted
but
or
All those who have been given the admit cards now,
Yes.
in terms of our.
Untainted.
I'm sorry, Lord.
They will be allowed to write the examination. We will not raise this issue of eligibility before they write the exam.
Yes.
So whereas the appointed candidates are.
Only for the tainted candidates.
Tainted candidates will not write the exam at all.
That's the point, Lord. That is what I'm trying to say.
Yes. The 4% that Lord, just kindly allow me to
But just give us one clear answer.
Yes.
This we've been asking you time and again. You've been giving us very wishy-washy answers, beating around the bush.
No.
But you're not giving us a straight answer.
Yes.
Are you allowing any tainted candidate to appear for this exam now?
Yes.
No.
Yes, they
I
are.
filing
No.
the application.
Document,
No, Lord,
and
Lord,
lordships may take
the
this and
the
the
unfortunate problem is this, I can't speak. They will only speak.
Very well.
Please,
Any
allow me to speak, please.
How many
Lord, I am-
tainted candidates are there according to you?
Lord, I am.
Please tell us, CBI has communicated the list of
Yes, Your Lord.
tainted candidates. How many are there? 900?
Nearly 1,900 and
1,000?
One
Give us a precise figure.
1,900,
1,900.
19 and 11, 12. 1,900.
Lordships,
Now, Lord, what has
they
happened?
write us fresh candidates.
Let him speak, madam.
What is this?
Yeah.
At least in our high court, we can't speak in all.
I guess you can.
We can't put.
Sir, this is Supreme Court.
No, this is, we can't speak in high court. In this way, we can't speak. Oh, you are 5 persons are speaking together on side of the petitioner. I am one. Now, Lord, kindly just,
Don't worry, sir is with you. No?
well, sir, just kindly, just few lines, no,
This is
no.
different.
What
What
is
is-
this?
This is unfair on your part.
It is excellent, really excellent.
We can't match.
Well,
this
it is
level.
really excellent. kindly do not raise your voice. My voice is so much, please don't do it.
You're the highest voice prevails.
Well, no,
So you need to train your voice power so that you can shout the loudest.
Lord, if I shout, whole Supreme Court will stop. My raising of one,
That is a challenge
yes,
for all of you.
yes,
then.
my raising, Lord, my raising of one slogans in the parliament is stop. Therefore, no, those do not do it.
Now,
Lord, kindly say, yes, Aman, let us tell this, Lord, our difficulties I am saying.
yes.
Lord, what has happened? This, at the time of the making the online application, what they are doing, there is no filter. 5 lakhs applications have come. Now, whatever is coming within the, we are immediately cancelling it. Immediately.
Now that you said you would place it in
And
the
now-
public domain,
Yes,
please check the applications which you have already entertained. Do not allow tainted candidates to
yes,
appear.
yes, absolutely.
It
And
reflects upon you,
yes,
as did your attempt to get them
I am not.
permission to sit in the exam.
Your lordship may record that.
No, no, kindly say, just-
out.
Well,
We will
just,
record that.
well, just have,
Better.
well, can I say one submission? Have trust on me.
We will record it.
I will, yes.
We will record your statement that we will not allow
Not,
any tainted candidate.
not,
to
not,
appear.
not only your lordships are closely watching. I am also personally as senior advocate, I am also closely watching.
Lordship.
That much I can say to your lordship.
My thought
But
was
if
that-
there is any error, one or two, all will be rectified. Nothing would be done. I can assure your lordships.
Well,
And when the reviews will come at the last day, your lordship would be here, your lordship would be see. And if I am alive, I would be here, I can also see.
Not so easy to let him go, man.
Why are you mocking the gods?
Yes, but when ultimately, I think before the appointment, the matter would come up to your lordships on number of occasion. Your lordships will see, and I will also be here.
The Lordships will give me just 2 minutes. Lordships, I'll put it in a.
Now you've already understood what the learned
Your
senior
Lordships, I'll
council
tell
has
the
said.
difficulty with
If they
this.
have not distilled the candidates by
I'm putting the
seeing
difficulty,
whether they are in the tainted list,
I'm putting,
they will do it now before
that's one.
7th and 4th.
7th and 14th.
14.
That's one. The second aspect, your lordships, is with regard to the examination itself. Now, your lordships will just bear with me for 2 seconds. Lordships will.
We are not going to extend the date.
No, I'm not on extension of date. What I am saying is that
Where is
they,
yesterday's order?
Yesterday, my lord, I kindly
lordships will look at the paper and then.
Not uploaded, lordship.
upload it, kindly take. Well, can I just, yesterday's order.
Lordships, I've considered yesterday's order also. The problem that has arisen now, which is with the advertisement, that they are doing a selection for 2016 along with selection of
Never said that it
2025.
should be listed, restricted to only 2000.
Lordships will kindly appreciate one aspect. With regard,
You can't read something more into our order than was there.
problem is the problems that are being created. Number one, your lordships, tainted students are being allowed.
That
They're
they will,
given
that they will
the,
take care of, they've already said that.
your lordships will take care of it prior to the exam rather than after the exam. Because your lordships, we are sitting in exam.
The council already said that.
Your lordships, the
They will
exam
see to it that they will not appear.
Your
In
lordships,
the event anyone slips through also, this notification which they issued will take care of it post examination stage.
unfortunately, that will not take care of
Yes.
it.
We are
Unless.
still watching, you bring it to our notice.
Well, in addition to that, I have.
Second aspect, Krishna. The second aspect, your lordships, is with regard to the vacancies. The vacancies have not been classified, they have not been given subject wise, they have not been given category wise. There is an ambiguous number of vacancies which does not correspond to the vacancies which were under the 2016 advertisement. So your lordships, they must on their website also declare the vacancies for
You've not
2016.
indicated.
They have not
Well, all we have
indicated.
indicated, all these
Lordships,
points,
see this paper.
well, all these points were raised before the High Court in general, and all these points have been dealt with by the division bench of the High
That's
Court.
why I'm
And
before your lordship.
dismissed, they are dismissed as
And
all
they've
appeals.
reduced the number of
Dismissed all
vacancies.
appeals.
They've reduced the number of vacancies.
No,
At least
reduction is also not correct.
transparency and
That's the
fairness.
order.
No, no, my lord, that one,
Transparency
let
and
let him,
fairness.
let her say,
See objecting.
Very
No, this aspect.
No, no,
we
no.
want to look
let
at.
him say in which post they have applied and that post have been reduced. Let them say from
I
here.
have a- I have a all charts.
I will give the
I have
answer.
a
Yes.
chart I'll provide it to
I
you
will,
right
no,
now.
not provide. You,
If he's raising a voice like this.
no,
then
you
I
are
have
having a,
action.
that's the reason exactly I am
You
saying.
don't need to shout.
All that I'm saying, your lordships, is fairness and transparency, vacancies.
Milord,
must
Milord,
be-
Today, we are just going to.
Milord, one more thing,
Last
Milord.
sentence, and in terms of what we have said yesterday.
One
All
more
that
thing,
I'm requesting.
Milord, permit me.
Yes.
My matter is item 54. In that, I have produced a list of the number of posts abolished, subject-wise abolished. So if your lordship just allow me, page item 54 at page 649. So now those teachers who were at item 54, my lord, sir,
Yes,
Lord, kindly have page 649.
yes.
Just see, my lord. On the right hand side, if your lordship see number 7, one post has become 0. On the same page,
Yes.
number 11, 0. On number 15, 0. So physics, anthropology, life science, 0. Then over the page, my lord, number 16, 17, 18, 20, 22, 25, 26, 20, 31.
They'll find the reply to this.
No, I am.
Your lordships,
So how can they be allowed to? They are not being allowed to appear for the exam now.
Yes, let them show from their petition that any one of them is eligible
Yes.
for that post.
Yes.
First one is the prejudice.
we all
That-
want
that's
to-
one is the prejudice. Not you can't take in
An exam.
15 persons will file an application and take everything within that. That's also not permissible.
The lord-
Second thing is, we have filed an affidavit. We have filed the affidavit.
We have heard you now.
Because my friend
We
is.
are not going to look into all aspects.
No, 560, my lord, is that
In
not
any
a?
event, we are not going to
No,
postpone the exam.
no, I'm not saying postpone. Kindly just see 560, my lord, that
That
affidavit
they
is
will
filed.
find the rest.
No, this affidavit was filed in the High Court, my lord.
Let me
Kindly
put
see
the-
page
We will
5,
consider what they have to say
Not-
for us.
kindly just see page 562, my lord. 560 and 562.
Let them put the vacancies
Lord,
on the
560
website.
and 560.
What we have given.
So that they don't
In
fail
my
it by
item
the end of
54.
the exam.
Lord, page 560, if your lordships have, in the High Court.
Kumar, we are not going to say anything. at
No,
this stage
because
on the-
about this post.
On these kind of issues.
No, my lord, a Nepali teacher, my lord, who applied,
By-
you are not taken because my lord, the post is abolished.
25, passed in SLPC diary number 46049 of 2025. This for directed.
Lord, may I say something, my lord? My lord, may I say
थोड़ा
something?
रुक जाइए ये
Yes,
पूरा होने
From here till here, we clarify that, we find that who brought out this public notice is.
Chairman.
The
Chairman,
commission.
commissioner.
What is that name again? West Bengal.
West Bengal Central
Central
Service
School
Commission.
Service Commission.
West Bengal Central School Service Commission brought out a public notice on 22/8/2025.
25, it.
25.
22/8.
No, no, I am.
It's 25.
No, that is yes.
10 days notice.
Yes, yes.
22/8,
That is 22.
2025.
That is
Giving 10 days time to all the candidates who were entitled to appear in the examination scheduled to be held pursuant to the aforestated direction to apply, to submit their applications. The dates for the, we are further informed that 13,500 out of the 15,500. Is that the correct?
Yes, it was earlier 13,500. By this time, another
Maybe more.
50 may be more.
We are informed, we are further informed that most of the candidates who stand covered by the aforestated direction have already submitted
No, my lords. Web
applications. In the
portal is not accepting some of us, my lords. It's not accepting. I have the printouts.
Despite the order.
I have the printouts here, my lords. That is all that I wanted to
It's
point.
not being accepted.
Kindly just have a look at it.
any candidate is unable to submit his application online,
They
the
can
same shall be submitted in by way of a hard copy before 2/9/2025.
Great, my lords.
As the commission has already made arrangements to hold the examinations on 7th September and 14th September. We are of the opinion that no postponement is warranted at this stage. The
Lord, eligibility
And
for both the exams, Lord, not just
Benefit of judgment.
As my friend has said.
warranted at this stage. We take on Based on record, the statement made by the learned senior counsel appearing for the commission that all the appointed teachers who are
In service.
entitled to appear for the examinations pursuant to the above stated direction of this court would be permitted to appear for both the examinations, that is, the examinations, examination meant for 9th, 10th,
Post of
And
teachers for 9th,
teachers of 9th, 10th classes, as well as the examination meant
11th
for
and 12th.
the teachers for 11th and 12th classes.
And not.
That is on 7/9/2025 and 14/9/2025 respectively. Anything more?
Follow fresh
In light of the stated
One prayer is Lordship.
the last sentence in the
Notices formally
Order.
for them to respond.
dated 21/8/2025. Stating to the effect that the further process of selection shall be postponed accordingly, need not be acted upon. And the authorities concerned are at liberty to proceed with the dates already notified, that is 7/9/2025 and 14/9.
Your my statement, the statement of my friend regarding tainted candidate. Your Lordship.
You have already said it. You have already said it.
Because I have annexed that
The
also.
list of tainted candidates would be placed in the public domain within 7 days.
I have put that on my paper book, my lord.
Maybe I am placing it by tomorrow.
Our order dated
I am doing it by tomorrow itself. I am on the
28/8/2025, comma.
660, I have given the list.
Record the statement of the learned senior counsel for the commission that none of the tainted candidates would be permitted to appear for the examinations scheduled to be held on 7 September and 14 September. He further states that in the event any such tainted candidate slips through the net and appears for the examination, the notice dated 25/8/2025 issued by the commission that the eligibility of such candidates would be examined even post-examination would come to the aid of the commission to weed out such ineligible candidates on the selection process.
As they are, as not the tainted are eligible. As the tainted are ineligible.
Oh.
For the commission are taken on record.
But
As the tainted are ineligible, my lord. Your Lordship may reiterate that.
that's already.
Ineligible. That's.
Two things. Malad, just.
My lord, notice may be issued in my assessment.
I claim to mention
They may also condone wherever not.
Malad,
Now, the concern is, my lord,
Just can I say, Malad?
Fresh candidates should not allow us. Because they are allowing fresh candidate to apply.
Malad, can I say, Malad, just. Malad, 13,500. No, I am not on that. 13,500 figures which you are not saying. That because of in two categories the admit cards have been issued. That is the reason 13,500. Out of 15,000, if 13,500, if I just, it is 6,500 persons or 7,000 have applied both the two, is 13,500 and 15,000 out that 7,000 to 8 that have not come. And second, I will, that's the request to all of my friends here. If anyone finds any person who is tainted, according to them, just simply write a letter and give the name to my advocate on record and we will act immediately.
We have annexed, my lord.
Sir, I am
We have
untainted
annexed-
candidate directly affected, sir.
We have annexed in our.
Actually, sir,
Have you after the case file here?
yes, yes.
Sorry,
Address the
it's that
letter to
one.
the
Sir, I have.
No, this is unfair. Tell him to sit down.
When all competition is.
No, no, you are making the law.
the name of.
This is not a public platform.
Indicating the name of any tainted candidate who has managed to secure an admit card, so that necessary action may be taken by commissioners.
In our SLP, my lord, in our SLP, we have given that, my lord, we have annexed the admit card of a tainted candidate, two of them.
Malad, just
662, 662.
one concern the petitioner, my lord, the petitioner, what he was concerned is, they're all people who written the exams in pursuant to 2016. Now they are 10 years younger. That they are competing with people who are, that's the primary concern, my lord, fresh candidates. That's the concern which they want to place before.
They have the edge of experience over those young.
But to write a competitive exam, they have a disadvantage of age is all.
Request
So
the
may-
lordship.
may-
That's the concern, my lord.
That later will be even after the publication of our list, which we are going
Which
to.
later?
The later I have sought that the, if you want to.
Therefore, they are allowing
We're
the.
not going to stop them.
No, I will stop them just after the.
In the event anybody brings to your notice that someone has secured an admit card, he's a.
Yes,
Yeah, that will stop it.
You can verify it
And
and
that's not, but that is.
Actually, Milord-
After publication of my.
even after that, you can do it.
Yes,
That's
Milord-
your notice.
Yes.
of-
And
Actually,
your lordship.
actually, Milord, if
salaries
your
are
lordship
not-
don't mind, that 25-8 letter gives a permission to allow tenant to go and subsequently remove them.
No.
Milord, if your lordship read that, yes.
It's a further,
I-
it's a further
In my-
stage for
in my-
them to weed out those people.
if you-
Post admission.
No.
So that they can't say then that.
They would have given the exam.
Exam, you can't remove us now.
Lloyd has the document.
You can look at it both ways.
No,
You
but-
can look at it both ways.
In fact, that-
mentioned that 30, which was the amicus matter.
Yes.
I'm so sorry, not to come back and mention it because.
One moment, please.
Sir, please wait, let the.
Yes, 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 Moana. Yes, Ms. Moana.
Sorry, item 30, your lordships had disposed it of, Lord. After going from here, I've been getting a lot of threatening messages, not, that's not going to do anything, I've blocked her now
From her.
from the lady, but I'm just saying,
Very, very.
we had a tough time, convincing her for this
Do
actually.
one thing, there's a app on the mobile.
This is a block.
Divert calls on my number.
I didn't come here for that, I wanted
My
to.
number.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, no, I came only for another reason, that her presence should be recorded in the order. Because otherwise they'll find her presence has to be recorded, otherwise
We are grateful to you,
But thanks.
but she's a harmless creature.
there is
Right.
disturbed, not, that's nothing. We brought her down to this after various
We
hours of.
engage you so that you can at least
Good.
go around
He took
and
3
she
days
says, I
and
want
I
an
also
alternate
sat
bench.
to quite a long
She's a
time.
harmless creature.
She will, yes, sir. She was also here, so I just wanted to make sure that it's here and she was also in court.
We will record the
She was here, yes.
Commission mentioned item number 11.
Right.
My colleague was there, he sought
We
the,
can have lunch before the special bench starts.
because my lordship, so please to dismiss the matter, he sought for a Passover. If your lordship
That's
reconnects,
$7,000.